Okay, today we're going to use one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover your device if it has this lock. We're going to explain all the steps on how to fix it and recover it. First of all, we always recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery problem. Okay, so we can see that our device gets locked when we try to open any application, exit, or have Wi-Fi networks enabled. If that's your case, don't worry, because we'll explain everything in this video tutorial, step by step, so you can do it too and recover your device. What do we have to do? In some cases, when these blocks appear, it gives us the option to access settings. If that's your case, and it allows you to, well, what do we have to do if it allows us to access? Well, if it allows us to access settings, what we have to do is remove the Google account, because what we're going to do now, and we're going to explain it to you, is reset our device so that this method can work for you. We're going to explain what we're going to do. For those people who don't know how to remove a Google account, I'm going to explain step by step how you're going to remove it. You're going to go to Settings. If you see the Settings option. If you don't see the Settings option, don't worry, leave it like that. For those who can access settings, you're going to go to Settings. Then you're going to go to Google account, and from there we're going to remove that account. We're going to go in, and then what we're going to do is select the account we have and remove it. If you're able to access the system, you'll remove the Google account so it doesn't ask for it again during the recovery process. But let's say you're someone who can't access that option. Well, what we're going to do is turn off our phone. We'll press the power button and turn off the device to begin the recovery process. We'll turn it off. Completely powered off. Now what we're going to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to press those two buttons and then it will take us to this menu. We're going to look for the option that says Recovery Mode. Select that Recovery Mode option. Now it will take us to this section. It will take us to this little Android figure. We're going to press the power button, then the volume up button. Then the volume up button again, and release the power button. Now what we're going to do is select this option that says Wipe Data, Factory Reset. We select it, we click here where it says Factory Data Reset. We're going to click here and then what we're going to do is select the first option. Now that it shows us the logo, we're going to press the power button and, the volume down button. Sorry, the volume down button for 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds are up, we can release the volume down button. This volume down button will help us enable a function that you'll see in a moment so we can solve and finish this process as we just did. For those who couldn't delete their Google account, to solve this problem, we need to have the Google account deleted. For those who haven't deleted their Google account, we'll leave a method in the video description or the first pinned comment. So you can solve it too. Let's wait until it takes us to the home screen. Here we can see that our device has the option that says Safe Mode. And we see this little airplane icon. Having done all that, now, what we're going to do is, if you have a SIM card, it's recommended not to have one because it won't have any data or internet access. We won't use any internet. That's what we're do. To click here on Skip, we're going to click Skip. We're going to wait a few seconds. We click here on Skip again. We're going to click here on Continue offline. Note, don't have a SIM card so that this option appears. We click on Next. We click on More. Accept. We click Accept. Now we click here on Skip. We click on Skip. We click on Skip now. We click on Next. We click on Next. We click on Next. Here we are going to click on Finish. Now that we have arrived here on Home, what are we going to do? Well, we are going to do the following configurations. We are going to go to Settings. We are going to look for the Settings option. Then we are going to scroll down here and look for the option where the applications appear. We are going to select the applications. We click here where it says All Applications. Now what we are going to do is go down here. We are going to look for this option, Google Services, and we are going to click here where it says Disable, and we click here on Force. We are going to disable. We click here on Force. Now, what we are going to do is go back. We go back. We go back and we are going to see which application is no longer appearing here. Well, now that we have done all that, we are going to do the following. To remove this Safe Mode and the Airplane Mode, we can remove it directly from here, but first let's remove Safe Mode. We're going to press the power button. We're going to restart the phone. We're going to click on Restart, and now what we're going to do is wait for our phone to restart so that the Safe Mode option can be disabled. Now that the Safe Mode option is removed, I'm going to explain the following settings. Pay close attention to this video tutorial if you want to recover your phone in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which is without needing to use a PC. We're going to wait until our phone goes to the startup screen. Now, as we can see, Safe Mode has been removed. It has been disabled. Now what we're going to do here is enable. We're going to turn off Airplane Mode. Now we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, we've connected to the Wi-Fi network. But we don't have the apps to download. Well, what do we have to do? For that, we're going to download the apps. We can download them directly from here. From the browser, we can download the apps. If we can't download this app, we download this app. We download it and then install it. When we install it, we'll have all the apps available. If we don't download any application here from the browser and we're going to use it like this.